name is Eileen Hull, and welcome to my studio. I'm so excited to be able to share, finally, our Chapter 3 Sizzix collection. So there are 4 pieces that are in this collection. There are 2 scoreboards, there is a 3D embossing folder, and there's also a Thinlits that goes along with one of the scoreboards dies. If you haven't used them before, they're designed to cut and score thick material like mat board, chipboard. So you want to have some of this or something similar to it. This is the Sizzix mat board, and this is the mixed media board, which comes with the chipboard and a lighter weight mat board. So you'd want to use something that makes up a depth of 1/16 of an inch. That is how the dies are meant to work. They have a special scoring blade placed halfway down, so when you roll it through, the pressure creates these nice score lines. So all you have to do is basically roll through your die. When you open it, you're going to see, oh wow, the score lines are already on there. Just fold over and then assemble your project. So really, really easy. If you haven't tried one, I recommend that you do because they're really just very cool. So the first one is called the card caddy, and that's what it looks like. I've taken off the packaging so you can see it a little bit better. And this makes a really fun box for your cards. I know that a lot of you are card makers, so this will hold cards that are anywhere from like a 5x7. It won't fit the envelopes, but it will fit the cards, you know, going this way. And you can do your slimline cards, you can do your mini slimline cards, squares, whatever will fit inside a 5 1/8 inch box. So this is a really fun one. Now, if you look at the picture of what the die itself looks like, you will see that you can also use it to make a book if you don't add these little side pieces that are the enclosure. So it has a lot of versatility to it, and you're able to make a couple different things out of it. And that's how I design dies. I like to use things that make sense and that I can use in more than one way. And then here is the second die. This is called the Skinny Mini Book Box, which is really fun to say and also fun to make. And this one works the same way. If you cut 2 of these covers and adhere the spines together, you have a book. If you want to add these surrounds to it, then you can have a book box. So also this one works in a couple different ways. One of the features of this die is that it will hold the mini slimline cards, you know, the ones that you use with your 6x6 paper. So that's a nice advantage. And the other thing is, this is the third die called the Skinny Mini Elements die. And this, although the scale is a little different, this piece fits on top of the book. So you can make a shaker out of that. You can make cards that fit inside the box. And the other thing is, when you cut this, you can place it down and it perfectly matches up. So you can create a larger, you know, background than just the tall, skinny one. You can put them next to each other. You could fill a whole scrapbook page with this if you're careful when you put it together. So this is a really cool die too. If you like to make cards, I'm sure you're going to love this one. And the last piece is the 3D folder, and it's called Woven Leather, and that's exactly what it looks like. You can see that makes a great background for your cards and for anything, for your layouts in books. It's really cool. I also invite you to join our creative community. It's called the Eileen Hull Fan Club. It's a group over on Facebook. So if you want to come over there and join almost 7,000 people in the group, we do a lot over there. We have some exclusive events. We have just a lot of fun, really. And everyone gets together and we all hang out and chat on my Facebook Lives, which are held on Tuesday at 6 o'clock Eastern and Thursdays at 4 o'clock. So usually on the Facebook Lives, we do a project. We put together one of these books or boxes and try to give another spin on it, because I'm all about adding value to my products. So I want you to see how many ways you can use them. Also, there's a blog post every week. We have 3 to 5 new projects on that. and you'll get to meet my team. And they are so super talented. I couldn't do without them. So I invite you to kind of enter my world and see the fun of creating in 3D. You can also go to the Sizzix Hub and you can see all of my links to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all of those. Thanks so much for taking a walk through my Chapter 3 collection. There will be additional videos that show assembling each die individually. That way you can just go on, get a quick look at how to do it in case you have questions. I welcome hearing from you. If you have suggestions, ideas, whatever, I am happy to connect with you. So please find me and I'll see you on the internet, okay? Thanks for watching, guys.